Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Voghion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then just click on the support button at the service section. And here, as you can see, you will get like an automatic introduction. And they say that currently they are replying in a minute, so you can see how many days or like hours you have to wait before you get a reply. And then just type your message or your question into this section and then just send it with the blue button. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.